Hello friends, today I will discuss diseases with defect in DNA repair by homologous recombination. It is given in Robbins page number 226. First disease is ataxia telangiectasia, second is Bloom syndrome, third is Fanconi anemia, and fourth is mutation in BRCA1 and BRCA2. Main symptoms of ataxia telangiectasia is neurological, and we will discuss this topic later. Bloom syndrome. It is also known as congenital telangiectatic erythema, and it is developmental defect, and it is autosomal recessive condition. Clinical features of Bloom syndrome is facial erythema and telangiectasia superficially, which resemble lupus erythematosus. These are present within first weeks after birth in malar area on the nose, and sun exposure increases these abnormalities. Gene defect in Bloom syndrome is mutation in BLM gene, which encodes rescue helicase. Due to this mutation, there is increase in frequency of spontaneous sister chromatid exchange. Mutation in BRCA1 and BRCA2 both accounts for 50% cases of familial breast cancer. BRCA1 is located on long arm of chromosome 17 and BRCA2 is located on long arm of chromosome 13. BRCA1 mutation is associated with increased risk of ovarian, colorectal and prostate cancer, and BRCA2 mutation causes increased risk of breast carcinoma in male. Now, ataxia telangiectasia. Defective gene is ATM gene, which is located on chromosome number 11, long arm. Synonyms of ataxia telangiectasia is cerebello-oculocutaneous telangiectasia and immunodeficiency with ataxia. In normal cell, ATM gene recognize and repair damaged DNA and also control cell growth and division. In this diagram, damaged DNA is recognized and repaired by ATM protein. But in ataxia telangiectasia, due to mutation in ATM gene, there is hypersensitivity of cells to radiation, and there is no damaged DNA repair mechanism. In ataxia telangiectasia, damaged DNA is not repaired, which leads to tumor formation, and these unregulated cells die in cerebellum and accumulate there, affecting coordination movement. And there is also impaired B and T cell development, which causes immunodeficiency in these patients. Ataxia telangiectasia is rare autosomal recessive childhood disease. Ataxia means uncoordinated movement. In these patients, mild mental retardation is present. Telangiectasia means enlarged blood vessels just below the surface of skin, which appears as tiny red spider-like veins. This is oculocutaneous telangiectasia. Werner syndromes and Bloom syndromes both share some common features. Werner syndromes is also known as adult progeria. Intelligence is normal in both syndrome. Gene defect in Werner syndrome is WRN gene, and there is loss of function of DNA helicase. In Bloom syndromes, gene defect is BLM gene mutation, which encodes rescue helicase. Last topic is xeroderma pigmentosum. It is autosomal recessive condition, and there is defect in nucleotide excision repair. In normal individual, when ultraviolet light exposure occurs, there is formation of thymine dimer, which is repaired by nucleotide excision, DNA polymerase and DNA ligase enzyme. But in xeroderma pigmentosum, due to defect in nucleotide excision repair mechanism, these thymine dimers persist and causes increased risk of basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma and malignant melanoma. Please like, share and subscribe.